Hey there shoppers, it's Amy and we are checking out the SECURAM EOS Wi-Fi Smart Lock. You guys, the options and technology in this is going to blow your mind. I can't wait to show you everything that's in this box, kind of how you set it up, and all of the functions and options that it's going to give you. It's completely incredible. It's going to make you safer and make you just your life a lot more convenient. So definitely stick around. Let's kick it off right about now.
All right, you guys, so the SECURAM EOS Smart Lock is going to be really easy to install. The box is going to come with absolutely everything you need, including the batteries, and it's also going to have a guide that tells you just how to do everything, how to, where to drill, and the exact specifications and all of that. They take all the guesswork out of everything. It's going to be a really simple and straightforward process. It's going to be crazy secure. There's a stainless steel deadbolt. It is a big one. It's very heavy and it's going to make you feel safe and secure. This is weather resistant, of course. So, obviously you can have this on your outward facing doors and just keep your house really, really nice and secure. It even has a voice control via Alexa and Google Home. The first thing you do is, as far as setup, you're going to have the app. As soon as you open the box, there's going to be a QR code that you can scan. It takes you right to it. This works whether you have an Apple phone or an Android device, so no worries there. It's really, really straightforward. And this app is going to give you so many options. It's absolutely amazing. And for your smart lock, it's going to give you not only all the information that you could ever want, an entire history of times it's been locked, unlocked, whatever, what have you. It's also going to give you the option to give one-time entry codes. So this is absolutely great for, say you're having a pet sitter, or maybe you're running an Airbnb or something like that. This is going to give you the ability to let guests in your home one time without having to give them a key permanently. It's completely fantastic. There are 4 different methods of entry. You can do this through, of course, the app on your phone, through your fingerprint. How cool is that? So amazing. An actual old school key, or you can use the keypad with an entry code like we talked about. Another really, really cool feature that this has, you guys, is that it has auto relock. So if you are kind of OCD like me, or sometimes you can leave the house and wonder, oh my goodness, did I remember to lock that door? You never have to worry about that again. The SECURAM EOS Wi-Fi Smart Lock automatically relocks your door when you leave the home. So fantastic. It has the SmartGuard home security, and it also has built-in Wi-Fi. They really think of everything for you, you guys, in case the batteries are low and maybe you forgot to change them. If the batteries go completely dead on you, don't worry. You're not kicked out of your house permanently. All you have to do is remove the security panel and recharge this really quick with a 9-volt battery. It gives it enough juice in there to be able to do your access code or fingerprint and get back in the house. So they really thought of everything. This is going to make you feel so much safer. It's going to give you a log of every time someone has entered or exited your home. It's going to automatically re-lock your home, and it's going to give you 4 different ways to access your home. You never have to worry about getting locked out. You never have to worry about misplacing your keys, and you never have to worry about the kind of sketchiness of maybe leaving your keys underneath a potted plant or something like that when you're having someone come over to check on the pets, or you don't have to worry about the kids misplacing their keys if they're supposed to let themselves in after school. Just so many things. This is going to make you safer, make your life easier. Everything is going to be so much more convenient. Plus, it looks stylish and it's weather resistant, and it's so easy to install. definitely check it out. I'm going to leave all of the link and everything for you in the description below. So go ahead, check that out, get to shopping, and adios, amigos.